Alright trappers, we are done with this project. It is in, it is nice, it is the way we like it. This one went off without a hitch at all. Real easy, real simple. It's real nice. We're going to get these dome lights turned off, we're going to get it flipped around, and we're going to play with it a little bit and show you guys what it looks like, give you a walk around here. So here we go, let's kill these dome lights. Alright guys, there it is. That's just the white light on right now. Lights up the dashboard real nice and bright up here. Let's get outside here. The truck's running. I had it on the batteries for a while, so it might be a little louder than normal, but you can see the LED dots back there behind the Sunstrip. We'll get a look from this side over here. Alright, let's play a little bit, guys. We got, let's see, there's red, the green, the blue, I think that's orange, yellow, I don't know, aqua or whatever the hell it's called. I think that's purple. Let's see what else we got on here. Okay, these are different modes. There's the jump. That's where it dances. Let's look outside here, guys. Lights that whole windshield up, the whole inside. And that's just those lights, guys. It's not extremely bright from the outside. You got the Christmas dot lights. Back in the day, they used to put pom-poms up there with their felt or suede, whatever it would be, and those pom-poms would dangle and dance as you drive down the road. So this is a little more updated version of the pom-poms. Let's check this out. That's for the music. That's the microphone. Let's see. Here we go. That's just a jump, I think. Let's see. The hell's the remote say? Yeah, we got jump. Make sure we're hitting the right one there. And then I think that's fade. Yeah, let's look outside, guys. This phase. Nice addition here, real nice. You guys probably wouldn't have thought of that one when I told you. So this one was worth sticking around and seeing. I think this is unique. I haven't seen any of the guys do this. Haven't seen this anywhere. But this is my take, modern give. Man, I love the way the light shines through. I got the white lights on. Helps me when I'm walking around working on the truck. There's my modern pom-poms, guys. There's your LED project. So there's one to mimic and do. Let's see if I can get them dancing again here. There we go. Dancing. Let's see if we can get the dome lights on with it here. We'll get those bouncing. Let's check these out here. We'll get the floor lights going. And that's the interior light. It's definitely an epileptic seizure. Let's take another look at the front here. Let's turn on the fog lights too while we're at it. We might as well flip that switch here. Check out the fog lights with the white underglow and the dancing LED pom-poms. That's hella bright, guys. That's a lot of light. But that's the lighting projects so far. Man, those fog lights are bright, really bright. LED pom-poms, guys. There it is. There's another look from the outside. Lights are just dancing. Alright, there's all the white lights, guys. Dome lights. All lit up in here. Oh yeah, nice and bright in here. We don't have any lighting problems in here now, guys. We can shoot videos in here, and we definitely don't have to worry about bad lighting at all. Maybe a little bit from the driver's side. We still got a couple projects in the bag back here. Tweeters, chrome trim. Waiting on a nicer day to do the trim. I'm still debating that one a little bit still. And the set of tweeters are in there, and I'm almost certain we're going to do those tweeters, guys. It'll really help out with all that bass in the trunk. Audio sample for these subs. What it's like in here, what it's like outside the vehicle now. That episode's coming, so make sure to stay tuned. Keep coming back. Check out Facebook. Follow us on there. Like us on there. Make sure you share everything we post. Share it, guys. Why not? keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.